Okay, so this is what is called our Blackboard. So, what is Blackboard, you say? Well, Blackboard is our online management system. So, what does that mean to you? That means that it manages your schoolwork. So, this is your number one spot, number one. All right, so you will first log in with the login I sent you, and that will be in an email. Once you log in, and as you can see here, if you scroll down, let's see here. Nope, it's not there anymore. It used to have a technical support number for Branson's technical support. I'll go ahead and tell you it's in your email. It's also in Blackboard, so you'll need it there. So you'll log in and you will see my classes. All right, you will not have 1,000 like me. Under that, you will have second grade, your first semester, second grade, or if you're in third grade, you'll have first quarter. Under there, you'll have a lot less than I do. So it won't be as confusing. So we'll go in to one of those and let's take a look at that. Let me open it up for you. Okay, that's the first thing that you'll do is go into your class. And then let's scroll over to, all right, so here you go. So it'll look like this. Over here on the left-hand side, you will see buttons. The buttons are what you will want to look at. Let's go ahead and start from the top. You'll see announcements. So announcements is what it is set to. They're a default. And in here you will see your schedule. So you will not have a schedule right at the beginning. But here you will have your lesson. So usually on Monday I have group calls. We'll cover some of those lessons for the week or new skills. If there is not a skill that we cover, it will be covered in a video. So you do have to watch your kids carefully. Make sure those are being watched so that the important skills are being learned. All right, then it will have your individual phone calls, any other calls that you may be in, but it'll always be here for you. There'll be some other announcements here, pictures, whatnot, pictures of my class, and this will always be here. So when is my class, you say? Oh, well, let's go into Blackboard. Remember, Blackboard, number one spot. What number? Not number two, but number one. So number one. So announcements. Usually, I will be sending you an email with important information or anything that's changed. So your tutorials. Your tutorials are the videos that you would have watched at the beginning of your orientation class. So your orientation will go over all your the major online sites and such, but I'm going to house them here. Everything will be housed here unless I send you an email. So here's my information, my hours, 7 to 3, my phone number, and my email. GoToMeeting link. Remember, GoToMeeting is, let me see if I can extend this. Nope. So this is your GoToMeeting link. It'll always be housed here. This is where your computer is linked up with mine, and we can talk and we can work and we can learn there on that platform. So it will always be there. Do you have to use a phone number on that? No, you don't have to unless your audio is not working on your computer. Then you don't have to tie up those phone lines. So that's good. So that's your GoToMeeting link. Attendance. Remember, attendance is taken here Monday through Thursday. There's like the first week of school is Tuesday through Thursday. We don't have a Monday. There's an occasional Friday here or there. But remember that your schedule is up to you as long as you are showing progress and turning working on time, which is the end of the day, the end of the week, every day on the end of the day on Sunday. So here's your attendance. It has to be taken before noon. this is for state purposes, and I do usually put in a question that pertains to the curriculum for the week. So I do take note in what the kids say, so they do get a grade for that. And so that will be taken every day. It's very easy, and the students need to take that because I do ask questions. Let's see here. Then you'll have your grades. You can always get to your grades, which are housed in here 24 hours a day. They are updated the 1 week in arrears. So if this were the first week and you've turned in your first week at the end of the day on Sunday, I'll work on that work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and such to get the work in there and updated. So that's that. You'll get a login for that. So then down here you'll see 2 weeks at a time. Okay, week 1 and week 2, you will see the first week of school. So you could see this week. So if this was week 1, you would see week 1's work and you would see week 2's work. So you'll click on week 1. Let's take a look at that. And it'll look like this. If you're, depends on what grade you're in, it'll look a little bit different, but it'll look something like this, where you at the top, you'll see everything that needs to be printed out. And I suggest, you do that on a Sunday night, print everything out, put them in your folders, 3-ring binders, so everything's organized for the week. So it's there to be printed. Make sure you have plenty of ink. You can get reimbursed for that. Plenty of paper. So then you'll see the different links here. So we go by weeks, okay? The weeks. And so you will want to know that. That helps. And at the top, I usually add the dates here, and I will add the dates for week 1, week 2, and such. But going by weeks really does help organize the school year. So then each week is separated into days. The first week of school starts on a Tuesday, so you would see Monday through Thursday. Okay, so and within those you'll see every subject every day, except for science and social studies. Sometimes they take turns every other day, but those are takes about 20-30 minutes or so for those. There's another video that will go over a schedule, a sample schedule that I would suggest. You do have to make a schedule in your orientation class. So something that works well with your schedule for the day. If you have sports or swimming or a music class that you're taking, schedule that into your schedule. But like for math, it's going to be about an hour and a half. Language arts, an hour and a half solid for sure. Also depending on the level, but if you're above or below the grade level, it might give or take minutes for that. You will definitely see how that goes within the first, after the second week of school or so. Spelling goes under language arts, science, 20-30 minutes. Like I said, so it'll look like that. I'm scrolling down through them. There is writing as well, and that's going to take 20-30 minutes probably a day. And sometimes you can spread out the writing because it's not like a new assignment every day for writing. So the first week is a little lighter. So that is Blackboard. Let's see here. You will have other important information in here, such as, technical support number. There's the number that I talked about. Let's see here. What else is there? Under the GoToMeeting link, there will be the video. If you have to miss your group call on Monday, it will be in there for you to watch, so you can get those points, because you do get points for attending and participating. So there'll be always a video there with an assignment that you have to do and email me with if you do have to miss you know, if you're sick or whatnot. There's a math answer key button. There is some important writing information I'll stick in there. What else will be in there? So anyway, Blackboard, this really, you'll have an orientation class that you have to do the first day, first 2 days, depending on when you are accepted. And then, you know, you do click from here. So if you have an online assignment, you'll click on it from there. You'll go to your reading class from there, and it'll go right in there. You'll put your login information. If you have to go back to Blackboard, you can click on the tab at the top or exit out of that, and it'll take you back, right back to Blackboard. So, like I said, very easy to go through, but this will manage you. Your Branson experience with you. If you ever need help, call me, email me. Remember, I've told you guys that before, but don't save it. Don't try to figure it out if you can't figure it out on your own. Email me. I get back to you fairly quickly. I am on the phone a lot throughout the day in my office hours, but yeah, email me. You have a question right away, get to me. I will definitely know the answer or someone that I can get you to if I don't. So I'm here to help you. So we want you to be this, not this. Okay? This. All right. That is Blackboard. Thumbs up, and we will hopefully have a good day and get through your other videos. High five. Have a good one. Bye.